Are you looking for a powerful AI model that can assist you in problem-solving, research, and creativity? DeepSeek is an advanced AI platform designed to provide high-quality responses, reasoning capabilities, and even internet access for up-to-date information. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of accessing DeepSeek on your PC, setting up your account, and exploring its features. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing DeepSeek. The first step in using DeepSeek is accessing the platform. To do this, follow these instructions. You can use any modern web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Ensure your browser is updated for the best experience. In your browser's search bar, type deepseek.com and press enter. This will take you to the official DeepSeek website, where you will see two main options: Start Now and Get DeepSeek App. Start Now. This option allows you to access DeepSeek directly through your web browser without downloading any software. It's ideal for those who want instant access without installing additional applications. Get DeepSeek App. If you want to use DeepSeek on your smartphone, this is the option to choose. The mobile app provides the same features as the web version, but is optimized for mobile devices. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Start Now option to access DeepSeek on a PC. Click on Start Now. This will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to sign up or sign in. If you're a new user, click on the Sign Up button, enter your email address, and create a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. If you prefer a faster option, click on Login with Google. Select the Google account you want to use. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to the DeepSeek interface. Once you're logged in, you'll see the DeepSeek user interface, which is designed to be simple and intuitive. If you've used ChatGPT before, the layout will feel familiar. The main interface consists of a chat box where you can type questions, prompts, or commands. DeepSeek will generate responses based on your input. Reasoning mode. This feature allows you to ask DeepSeek to solve logical and reasoning-based problems. It is useful for math problems, coding logic, and decision-making processes. Internet access mode. Unlike some AI models that rely solely on pre-trained data, DeepSeek can access the internet for real-time information. You can enable this mode by clicking the Internet Access toggle. This is particularly useful for retrieving the latest news, verifying facts, and conducting research. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on the latest AI technologies.